into it to maybe get a different sound that didn't quite sound like the dog. Oh, inhale. Oh, here at the bottom. What else? No! Stick it real quick. This is gross! Okay. Churn it and do what? Right? Because I still have to blow into it. So how can I change how I'm blowing into it to get a different sound? Think about all the ways you breathe, you know, if you're blowing on a birthday candle, or if you've just been running a marathon, or if you're sleeping. Yes? Blow hard or blow soft? So which one should I do first? Blow hard? All right, ready? I'm going to take a big breath. I'm going to blow really hard. Ready?